Hi dear children, today we are going to revise our exam portions. First lesson, heat. First question, state the similarities and differences between laboratory thermometer and clinical thermometer. Similarities, both thermometers consist of long, narrow, uniform glass tubes and both have a bulb at one end. Both contain mercury in bulb. Both are Celsius scale on the glass tube. പഠിച്ചിട്ടുള്ളതല്ലേ ഇതെല്ലാം. Then difference നമുക്കറിയാം. എന്താണ്? Clinical thermometer reads the temperature 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. അല്ലേ? Normal human body temperature 37 degrees Celsius ആണ്. Then laboratory thermometer minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. Second question, what are the various modes of transfer of heat? There are three modes of transfer of heat: conduction, convection, radiation. Conduction, the process by which the heat transferred from hotter end to one colder end of an object. That is conduction. Then convection, the process by which transmission of heat is fluid. Fluid in the transmission of heat is convection. Radiation, the mode of transfer of heat energy which no medium needed transfer from heat. Transfer heat from the hotter body to a colder body. Example, sunlight. Then explain sea breeze and land breeze. Is during the daytime. The sea breeze during a seashore during the daytime, cold air from the sea moves towards the land because land gets more heated than the sea. Then hot air above the land rises up and cold air from the sea move towards the land. That is sea breeze. Then at night time, cold air from the land moves towards the sea because land cools more quickly than the sea. So hot air above the sea rises up and cold air from the land moves towards the sea. This is called land breeze. Then why is more comfortable to wear white or light colored clothes in summer and dark colored clothes in winter? Light colored clothes reflect most of the heat that falls on them and we feel more comfortable wearing them in summer. Dark clothes absorb more heat, so you feel comfortable. So we can feel comfortable with dark colored clothes in winter. Okay. Next lesson, acid, base and salt. What are the difference between acid and base? Acids are sour in taste and it turns blue litmus to red. Bases are bitter to taste. It turns red litmus to blue. Name the source from which litmus solution obtained. What is the use of this solution? Litmus solution is extracted from lichen. It is used to determine whether the given solution is acidic or basic. Then describe the process of neutralization. Reaction between acid and base is known as neutralization. And salt and water are produced in this process with the evolution of heat. Then explain why. Antacid tablet taken when you suffer from acidity. We take an antacid such as milk of magnesia. It neutralizes excess acid released in stomach. Milk of magnesia one base acid and base it neutralizes the effect. Calamine solution applied on the skin when an ant bites. When an ant bites, it injects the acid in the skin. The effect of acid can be neutralized by rubbing calamine solution which contains zinc carbonate. Then factory waste neutralizes before disposing into the water bodies. The waste of factories contain acid. If acids are disposed of in the water body, the acid will harm the organism. So factory waste neutralized by adding basic substances. Next lesson, physical changes and chemical changes. What is the difference between physical change and chemical change? Change in which substance undergoes the physical properties, size, shape, etc. That are physical changes, and it is one reversible change. Then change which one or more new substances are formed. It is chemical change. Formation of curd from milk. It is an example of chemical change. How would you show that setting of curd is a chemical change? We can say that setting of curd is a chemical change because we cannot get the original substance, that is milk back, and new substance form different taste, smell and other chemical properties. Okay. Explain how painting of an iron gate prevent it from rusting. It is known that the rusting the presence of oxygen and moisture is essential. Painting prevents iron gate from coming contact with oxygen and moisture. Explain why rusting of iron objects faster in coastal areas. Why? The content of moisture in the coastal areas higher than the air in desert. So, the process of rusting faster in coastal areas. Dear children, everybody should read the textbook carefully. All the one-word answers from your textbook only. So, dear children should read the textbook and write well. All the best all of you. Thank you.